Hello and welcome back to Ganesh Institute and to this video, fourth video on linear algebra. So what we are going to discuss today, we are linking complex numbers with matrices. You know about complex numbers, right? The set of what? Real and imaginary numbers. So what we are going to do, we are basically dividing the matrices based on complex numbers into conjugate and tranjugate matrices. So let's get started.
What is a conjugate matrix? So when we say conjugate, does it sound familiar to you? Yes. Do you know complex numbers? The numbers which have real and imaginary part, right? We write them in the standard form as a plus iota b, where this is the imaginary part and a is real part. Correct? So if question is asking me that this is z, find its conjugate, what I'm supposed to do is simply change the sign. Conjugate is the opposite of imaginary number, opposite sign of imaginary number. So it will be a minus iota b. Please remember that you are not changing the sign of real number, real part. You are just changing the sign where there is iota. Okay. So when it comes to conjugate, when it comes to conjugate, you need to understand, the matrix. You need to understand that if I'm having a matrix A as maybe 2 plus iota, 3 minus 2 iota, 5, 4 plus 5 iota, and if I'm asked, find its conjugate, then you simply need to change the sign of imaginary part. So A minus iota, so because it is plus, you change it into minus. This is only real. So we are not going to change its sign. Then we have here minus sign, so it will become 3 plus 2 iota. And here we have plus sign, so 4 minus 5 iota. Okay, so this is the conjugate matrix. Similarly, another sort of matrix is tranjugate matrix. Okay, so what is this matrix all about? When we have a conjugate matrix, just like we are having here, and we find its conjugate, then it will become tranjugate matrix. Okay, so tell me the transpose of this matrix. So this is a conjugate matrix, and if you are finding its transpose, then it is denoted by a raised to power theta. That is the tranjugate matrix. Okay, so what it will be? Transpose means rows have to be converted into columns, have to be placed into columns. So the elements 2 minus iota and 5, these come under the category of column elements. And then we have second row, it will become second column. Oh, it has to be minus sign, right? Why minus? Because now we are not again taking or considering the conjugate. Okay, this is just already we have considered the conjugate matrix and we are considering its transpose now. So see the amalgamation. This is from conjugate, this is from transpose. So this is the simplest way of remembering it, that it is the transpose of a conjugate matrix. Clear?
If you really like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.